Welcome, guys. Hope you're having an amazing time. I am Emmanuel Kelly, and here I'm going to show you how to do a color splash effect using Photoshop. What we are going to do is to leave the sliced orange as color that it is, then leave the entire elements as black and white in the background. As you can see, I've already uploaded my image to be used and is in the layer 0 in the layer panel. So I'm going to duplicate that. As you can see, to do that you have to press Command J on a MacBook or Control J on a Windows. Now we are going to do some adjustment by going to the image adjustments and clicking on black or white. So I'm going to just click on OK at the dialog box. So as you can see, the layer above is changed to a black and white panel. I'm going to now crop out the image using the magnetic lasso tool. So I'm going to just trace around the orange that I want to cut out and make it colored. So the magnetic lasso tool traced around the orange. When it gets round, you click OK. As you can see, the mark hue and the matching ants are around the orange. So once you've selected that, I'm going to click delete with your keyboard. Deleting that to remove the pixels around the upper layer in the image. As you can see, we still have our full image untouched. So you are going to now match the image by left clicking and clicking match down. So the two layers becomes one, and now you have your image ready to go. You can now save it and save as a PNG. Yeah, ready to go. Thanks for watching. If this was any helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next one. Goodbye.